Asset tracing and recovery of corruptly acquired assets, Your Excellency, and unexplained wealth extinguishes directly the benefit obtained through corrupt activities. This strategy helps to create necessary deterrence as envisioned in the United Nations Convention Against Corruption, which Kenya is the first country to have signed that convention almost 20 years ago. Your Excellency, today we are here. We are gathered to witness the handing over of about 35 titles, measuring approximately 18.71 acres with a total value of about 5 billion shillings. Your Excellency, for your information, there are other titles that are in the process, and maybe soon we'll be back here, through your blessing, to have another occasion like this. In this one, Your Excellency, item number 1 is property in Kisumu municipality, measuring about 2 acres, which is about 1.8 acres, belonging to the judiciary. You can imagine grabbers went to the judiciary to steal their land. They were very daring, but we managed to recover this piece of land, which is worth 1.4 billion shillings. This is part of the property that is housing the Kisumu Law Court. Second one, Your Excellency, are 3 properties in Eldoret town, measuring 3.25 acres, with approximate value of 1.2 billion, which are in favor of the Cabinet Secretary, National Treasury, as a trustee of the National Police Service. Same grabbers were daring enough to go and grab land belonging to the police. But we managed to recover this, and these are 3 pieces of land worth 1.2 billion. Your Excellency, there is also 1 property in Kilimani area, measuring almost half an acre, which is worth 700 million. This plot, as Nairobians, we know it. If you know Upper Hill Medical Center, there's an empty plot there which used to be part of Kenya School of Law. It was grabbed and we have recovered it. It's a very prime plot, worth 700 million. Then we have a property in Eldoret municipality measuring 1 acre, which has an approximate value of 700 million, which it belongs to Uasin Gishu Referral Hospital under the county government of Uasin Gishu. Then we have 13 amalgamated plots within Kisii municipality. We have 13 properties measuring a total of 8.0 acres, 06 acres, valued at 300 million, which belongs to the State Department of Housing and Urban Development. The 4 properties in Bungoma, 2 properties are in Kakamega, 3 properties are in Kisii. Then we have 1 property in Kabarnet, 1 property in Nakuru municipality, and 2 properties in Kitale. 15 parcels of lands belonging to the county government of Kisii, measuring, about 3.41 acres, and the approximate value is 135 million. Then we have 1 property in Nakuru municipality, belonging to the county government of Nakuru, measuring about half an acre, which is worth about 100 million.